Welcome back to Those Vegan Chefs. I'm Stefan, and this channel is dedicated to making you a better vegan cook. Today it's all about beets in heart of palm. We're starting with a charred jalapeno and scallion cream. We have amaranth microgreens. We have diced beets that are poached with 5-spice. And then we have our beautiful heart of palm, lightly poached with the 5-spice and the beets, topped with beet ginger that's been candied. All creating a dish that is focused and absolutely beautiful. So I think we're gonna jump into video and we're gonna make this dish. All right, let's make the spicy scallion cream sauce. Half a jalapeno. Remove those seeds. Three garlic cloves smashed. Bam. Do it half at a time, huh, Chef? We just want the green parts. charred scallion jalapeno, baby. Need a hot pan, 1/4 cup of oil. We're gonna make that oil smoke. Jalapeno and garlic first. Ooh, and make sure you wash your hands before you touch anything after cutting jalapenos. In go the scallions. Fry them down. Beautiful green. And that's it. I know, we're always pureeing stuff. Let's get this thing finished up. This is the favorite part of the dish for me. I'm gonna put the pan on medium-high heat. We're gonna hit it with some olive oil. And we're gonna baste and lightly sear the heart of palm. All right, our pan is hot. And we're also going to incorporate the white parts of our scallion. We're going to roast them and flavor the heart of palm as well. A few thyme sprigs. We're going to tilt the pan. I'm going to start basting it. Beautiful. Beautiful. Ooh, look at that. Beautiful. Those are perfect. Lightly seared, beautiful red. Our beets are warm, our scallions are ready. Absolutely love the color contrast. That beautiful white on the inside, the pale red on the outside. You know what's next? It's time to plate this. I know the dish is pretty, but in order to get the full effect, you have to just get in there and you have to make the combo bite. We got the sauce, we got the greens, we got it all. You know what I love is the spiciness from the jalapeno in the sauce. It cleans up the whole dish. It's so earthy, so robust. I love the colors. It's amazing. That's right, I said it, it's amazing. And guess what? I'll see you next week.